Hi, I'm Jeff Dritz, a founder of Adizu. I'm originally trained as a lawyer. I graduated from the University of Chicago Law School in 2007, and I practiced corporate law for 7 years until recently when I left the practice to focus on Adizu.
Hi, my name is Richard Simulay, and I'm the software guy behind Adizu. I live in Los Angeles and I have over 10 years experience of software development. Some of my past projects include MTV, Comedy Central, Nickelodeon Games, and I'm currently working on revamping TMZ. I'm a full-stack developer, highly proficient in both back-end and front-end programming, and I'm bringing all my best practices to Adizu.
Why have 300 million people given up their blogs? Well, I think there are two main problems on the platform of blogging. First, it's really hard to build up an audience for your blog, and initially your audience is going to be your family and friends. But the thing about a blog is that it's its own nice isolated site, and you have to let people know that your blog exists and that there are new posts up, so you kind of have to spam people. But if you're receiving those emails, you have to remember to visit the site regularly to see if there's new posts. And that's a lot of burden on readers who may have a bunch of friends with a bunch of different blogs. The second problem is that even if you're able to build up a small audience, you probably have a life, school, work, family, variety of obligations. And the thing about a blog is that if you don't put anything new up there, nothing new goes up. So if you're too busy to write for a week or don't have anything to write about, and your audience keeps coming back and seeing there's nothing new, they stop coming back. Then you go to write and you've lost your audience. I think the problem is really that blogging came and went before social networking hit. And to me, the key aspect of social networking is your newsfeed, right? Because what your newsfeed does is delivers your content to your network without them having to seek it out and delivers your network's content to you. And Facebook does a great job with status updates and links. And at my age, in my early 30s, baby photos. Twitter does a great job with 140 characters or less. But nothing does that with longer blog style posts. And that's what Adizu aims to do. Adizu works very simply and intuitively. You log in using Facebook Connect or Twitter, and that way you've already got a network on the site. All your Facebook friends are your Adizu friends. Everyone you follow on Twitter, you follow on Adizu, and vice versa. Then when you get in, you get your newsfeed, which shows you what your friends are writing about. When you want to write something, you don't start a blog, you simply click Create New Post, and you get started. Then you write your post. You can add photos, hashtags, and you can even tag a person to post the same way you tag someone in a photo on Facebook. When you're ready, just hit Publish. Your post will then show up in your friends' news feeds so they can read and comment. That's it. We hope you've enjoyed our little presentation. If you have any questions, please feel free to contact us. Thanks very much for your time.